Hey, Robert Keeper here with HydroHero. Please forgive me for my voice. I've been sick for a while, but we are responding to a water damage out in the Bethany area tonight due to all this rain. And I just want to point out one of the things that you really need to make sure that you're doing on the outside of your house to protect your house from flood waters during these big storm events. So let me flip this camera right around right after this. All right, so here we go. Step back a second. You can see all the water that's collecting here. Got a big pond over here, and every time it rains, it fills up, and then it goes right into that door on the other side, and it's flooding out that first level. So what needs to be done is need to have a drain system put in here, and we need to have this regraded, and we'll get all this water completely out of here so this never happens again. But if you have an issue like this, you need a drainage system, and you need to change the grade of the ground to turn around and get this water away from your house. This is a big no-no here, but luckily we can get that corrected. So if you have any issues like this that have been plaguing you, please give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com. And now I got to get in the inside and get that part taken care of. Have a great day.